With the growth of the world's population, demand is rising for food. This will require more extensive and effective use of fertilizers. Over 90% of potash produced in the world is used as a fertilizer. Hence, the long-term prospects for growth in the potash industry are positive. Potassium, the main element in potash, phosphorus, and nitrogen, chemical symbols K, P, and N, are the three vital ingredients in fertilizers. Potassium raises yields and food value, builds disease resistance in plants, and it improves the shipping, handling, and storage qualities of the crops. It is naturally recycled in nature and has no adverse effects on the environment. In this part of the world, Jordan is the only Arab producer of potash, which is extracted from the Dead Sea along with other valuable salts and minerals. The extraction of potash is a process that does not produce any harmful byproducts. In the first stage of potash production, Dead Sea brine is pumped to a series of solar ponds, pre-carnallite and carnallite ponds. Water evaporates from the ponds, raising the concentration of salts. Brine concentration in the salt ponds is continuously adjusted to achieve satisfactory carnallite concentration. Effluent brine flows back into the Dead Sea. Carnallite is harvested and pumped into 3 refineries: the hot leach plant and cold crystallization plants 1 and 2 to extract potash. The hot leach plant uses a decomposition, leaching, and crystallization process to produce mainly standard grade potash. The new cold crystallization plants use advanced technology, mainly flotation, crystallization, and screening. The plants have a combined production capacity of over 2.4 million tons per year of granular, standard, and fine-grade potash. An advanced control system was incorporated to facilitate control of various processes. Highly efficient dust collection systems minimize dust emissions and waste. A new compaction plant is being installed to raise production capacity of high-quality granular potash to about 500,000 tons per year, including post-treatment. Potash is then shipped by trucks to the Aqaba warehouse and the industrial jetty for shipping. The Aqaba operation includes 300,000 tons of storage capacity, which is one of the largest single potash storage facilities in the world. APC is also expanding its port and jetty through a $150 million joint investment with the Jordan Phosphate Mines Company. APC also invests in downstream and complementary industries, sea salts and minerals, including potassium nitrate, bromine and other derivatives. Assurance management systems are implemented in accordance with the highest national and international standards to enhance the performance of production and support operations, ensure high quality of output in line with the technical specifications required. More than 90% of products are exported to over 30 countries in Africa, Asia, Europe and the Middle East, for which APC charters more than 100 ships annually. As the world's 8th largest producer of potash, the Arab Potash Company's top priority is the safety of its employees. The company updates its safety regulations regularly, and it has one of the best workplace safety records among industrial companies in the region. In 2016, it completed 2 million working hours without lost time injuries and 4 million in 2015. APC's main markets are China and India, and it maintains sales offices in India and Malaysia, which is also among its most important markets. APC also invests in the ongoing development of its employees through a range of training programs and activities. Training programs are provided to new graduates from local communities to raise their employability. Protecting the environment is a vital element in APC's core values. APC actively works to minimize the impact of its production activities on the environment by reducing dust, collecting and treating machine oils, limiting carbon dioxide emissions, streamlining the consumption of energy and water, and recycling tires used by its fleet of vehicles. Another key element in APC's core values is partnership with local communities. In the period 2012 to 2016, APC provided on average 10 million JD, that's $14 million per year, to finance projects in education, health, water, supporting local government, maintenance of churches and mosques, cultural activities, raising living standards, upgrading infrastructure and public services, and addressing community needs. More than 2,000 organizations and 100,000 citizens benefited from these projects each year. The Arab Potash Company, partners in food security.